Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Edgenuity account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.edgeunity.com. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on Login option. Here you can select the product by category or select it by clicking on the drop down. Now scroll down your screen and here you can choose to log in as students, educators or families. Here you'll have to enter your username associated with your account and your valid password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgot Your Password link. After entering your details, click on the login button to proceed. And that is how you can sign into Edgenuity account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.